Good morning, class. This an isometric block. To draw the first angle projection of this block with the horizontal line from here to here, which is 50, the vertical from here to here, which is 20, and from here to here, which is 30, from here to here 30, this vertical, which is 10, 20, and 10. To draw the first angle projection, we are going to follow step by step how to draw the first angle projection. This our plan looking in a direction of arrow A, and this our front looking in a direction of arrow X, and this our end which is looking in the direction of arrow B. This our end, this our plan, this our front. Front, if you are in this direction, you are going to see only this environment. If you are at the plan, you are going to see only this environment and this environment. If you are in this direction, looking in this direction of arrow B, you are going to see this direction, this environment, and this environment. Now, to draw the first angle projection, we are going to follow the step by step to draw the first angle projection. To draw the first angle projection, we are going to use our ruler, our set square, our pencil, and our eraser. Now, what to do first is to draw our straight line. To draw a straight line of your own convenience. This is our straight line. Now, what we are going to do, we are going to take the measurement of the front. To take the measurement of our front is from here to here, which is our 50. Now, we are going to measure our 50 here. Our 50. Let's see. From here to here is our 50. Now we have taken the measurement of our 50. And now we are going to take the measurement of our ends, looking in this direction, which is from here to here is our 30. Now we are going to take 30, and from the distance from the front and the end, we are going to give equal distance. If you like, you can use 5 millimeter. If you like, you can use 10 millimeter. If you like, you can use any convenient measurement that you want. But now we are going to use 5 millimeter for our distance from each of the drawing, front, end, and plan. Now the measurement, this our front from here to here is our 5. The distance from the front and the plan, we are going to give our 5 millimeter, and then we are going to take of our end, which is 30 millimeter. This is our measurement, 30. We are going to draw the two ends, the right and the left side. This our distance in between the front and the end. This is the second distance from front and the end, and this is the measurement of the end in this direction. Now, what we are going to do now is to draw the vertical line using our set square. Now, we are going to draw our straight line. We are going to draw our straight line with the dots that we made upward. Draw the front, it's only for the front we are going to draw it downward because we are going to draw our plan below the front. Now remember the ends, these are our ends. Our ends. our ends and the ends. Now, after finishing this construction, now let's take another measurement from the real block. Now we have drawn this line. Now we are going to take our measurement from here to here is our 20, and from here to here is our 10. We are going to draw it now. Now we are going to use our ruler to draw our line, which is our 20, make dot, and our 10 at this side. Then we are going to the other side and draw and make dot at the 20 and at 10. Now we are going to use thin continuous line to join those lines, so that it is going to be easy for us when we come to draw the remaining parts. These are our lines. Now let's start with our front. Now we have measured from here to here and from here to here. What we are going to do next is from here to here, which is 30, from here to here, which is 20 on the front. Now we are going to measure our 20 here. These are 20, and the remaining one is our 30. These are 30. Now test our straightness. Now we are going to join them. Now we have finished with our front remainder, our ends. Now to draw our end elevation, looking in this direction and looking in this direction are two different things. In first angle projection, if you are looking in this first direction of arrow B, you are going to draw it at your right hand side. If you are facing in this direction, you are going to draw it at your left hand side. Now what to do now? This side we are going to bring it at our right hand side. This our right hand side, we are going to take it to our left hand side. There is something that we are called hidden line. Hidden line is drawn when there is a hole that you cannot see. Now in this our end elevation, we are going to get a hidden line. The hidden line is going to appear here to show that there is hole that we cannot see. Now here we are going to represent a hidden line. This our hidden line, and here, since we can see the line, we are going to draw it using our thick continuous line. Now after finishing drawing our ends and our front, our two ends and our front, now we are going to measure our plan. Now the distance given here from here to here is 5, and from here to here is 5, is equally we are going to give here, which is our 5 mm. Now we are going to give 5 mm here, then another 5 mm here, then we are going to join the line to get a equal distance from each side. Now we are going to measure our 30 mm on the plan. Now this is our plan. This side you can see here, we can see here. Now we are going to draw this side. From here to here is our 30. Now we are going to draw this side and this line, this side again. Now we are going to take our 30 mm. From here to here is our 30, make dot, and from here to here is our 30. Then we are going to make dot and join them all together. Join the two dots. Now after doing that, we are going to use our set square to bisect that line to draw the line, vertical line on the front elevation to touch our plan, to test our straightness. We're going to use this method to test our straightness. Then we're going to shift it to draw the line downward lightly. Then here we are going to dark it. Now this is our plan. Now what to do next is to dark our work so that we can see it clearly. Now let's start darkening with our end elevation. From this dot, keep your ruler straight, dark, use your thick continuous line. First we have used thin continuous line for our construction. Now we are going to use thick continuous line. This is our end. Then remove the front. Use our thick continuous line. Thick continuous line. Then thick continuous line. This is our front. Now remember the second end. This is our second end. This is our second end. Now let's draw our plan. This is our plan now. Now we have finished with our first angle projection of our block. This block. We have finished the front. This is our front. This our ends, and this our plan. The same thing. This is our plan, our front, our two ends. Now is to clean our unwanted line. From here is our unwanted line. Use our eraser and clean those unwanted line. This is our first angle projection of our block. Thank you for listening. Like and subscribe and click for our next lesson. Thank you and God bless.